Homemade fish fry recipe. Healthy food recipes with friendly chef's kitchen. Like, subscribe, and share my video. Fish slices. Clean the fish slices. Let's prepare the masala for the fish slices. Add 3 teaspoons of coriander powder. Add ½ teaspoon turmeric powder. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Add 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Add 50 grams of rice flour. Add 1 teaspoon of ginger and garlic paste. Add 1 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix everything. Add 1 lemon juice to the mixture. Add 50 ml of water. Add water, little by little, and mix well. The masala texture should be like this. Place all the fish slices to the mixing plate. Mix and apply the masala to the fish slices. Masala coating to the fish slices is done. Now let's prepare the fish fry. Add 100 ml of cooking oil to a frying pan. Place the fish slices carefully into the oil. Carefully flip the fish slices. Let the fish slices cool for 5 minutes. Delicious fish fry is ready to be served. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share the video.